let's improve our Turkish with Turkish series. Why are you asking?
Neden soruyorsun?
Neden soruyorsun?
In this scene.
Neden?
Means why. Is used to ask for the reason or purpose.
Soruyorsun.
Means you are asking and is the present continuous form of the verb to ask. Combined with why, it forms a question.
Neden soruyorsun?
I missed you so much.
Çok özledim ben seni.
Çok özledim ben seni.
In this scene.
Çok.
Means so or very much. Indicates a high degree or intensity.
Özledim.
Means I missed. Is the past tense of the verb.
Özlemek.
Which means to miss.
Çok özledim ben seni.
Did I ask you what happened?
Sana ne olduğunu sordum mu?
Sana ne olduğunu sordum mu?
In this scene.
Sana.
Means to you. Is the dative form of the pronoun.
Sen.
Indicating the indirect object.
Ne?
Means what. Is used to ask for information about something.
Olduğunu.
Means that happened. Is a form of the verb.
Olmak.
Which means to be, indicating something that occurred or happened.
Sordum.
Means I asked. Is the past tense of the verb.
Sormak.
Which means to ask.
Mu.
Means did and is a question particle used to form yes or no questions.
Sana ne olduğunu sordum mu?
Let's go.
Haydi gidelim.
Hadi gidelim.
In this scene.
Haydi.
Means let's or come on and is used to encourage or prompt action.
Gidelim.
Means let's go and is the first person plural imperative form of the verb
Gitmek.
which means to go.
Hadi gidelim.
Do not make me angry.
Beni sinirlendirme.
Beni sinirlendirme.
In this scene.
Beni.
Means me, indicating the object of the verb.
Sinirlendirme.
Means do not anger or do not make angry and is the negative imperative form of the verb to anger or to make angry.
Beni sinirlendirme.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. See you in the next one.